Hi, I'm Bob Powell, editor of FinStream.tv, and I want to share an important new development with you. We are right now building a suite of practical advisor-ready tools designed to support better client conversations and better financial outcomes. These are tools you can use directly with clients in meetings or between meetings to help turn complex financial concepts into clearer, more informed decisions. The goal is not to sell products or prescribe one-size-fits-all solutions. The goal really is to help advisors frame trade-offs clearly, surface blind spots, and guide clients through decisions that can have a lasting impact on their financial lives. Our growing suite of tools is designed to help advisors address some of the most common planning challenges. For example, tools that help identify behavioral biases that can quietly undermine good decision-making and provide a structured way to talk with clients about how to manage those biases. Tools that help advisors and clients evaluate whether alternative investments belong in a portfolio, and if so, how to think about risk, liquidity, complexity, and client suitability. And tools that help analyze Roth conversion decisions, including when to convert, how taxes factor in, and what the long-term trade-offs really look like. These tools are not meant to replace professional judgment. They're all designed to support the planning conversation, improve clarity, and help clients understand their options well enough to make confident decisions. This, by the way, is just the beginning. We are continuing to build tools that reflect how advisors actually work with clients across retirement planning, tax strategy, estate planning, and behavioral coaching. And we want your input. Tell us where clients get stuck. Tell us which conversations are hardest to navigate. And tell us what tools would make your planning process more effective. Your feedback will help us shape what we build next.